Hello guys.
So today
we are going to clean the solar.
the heater
Yeah.
and it's gone so
It's
dirty.
gone so dirty.
So guys, we are going to use
You don't have to use so much pressure to clean because these things are glass.
you can see it's getting clean. You have to do so much work. So I'm gonna help
We finished half of it, as you all can see. So guys, as you all can see, we are shining bright. It took so much time for us. So hope you know what I said in the starting part.